Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to find saved Wi-Fi password in Windows 11. If your PC is already connected to Wi-Fi and you forget the password, this method will help you to view or show your saved Wi-Fi password. First click on this one start button, then type control. In the search results, click on this one control panel. Under control panel, ensure view by is set to category. After that, click on this one network and internet option. Then click on this one network and sharing center. Then on the left sidebar, click on this one change adapter settings. Now select the Wi-Fi and right click on it, and then select this one a status option. After that, click on this one wireless properties button. Now switch to this one security tab. After that, check this one option show characters, and now beside network security key, your Wi-Fi password or key will appear. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel GearUpWindows, kindly subscribe it. And if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.